So what you're seeing here is the frame sitting over the Galvy bath, and they're well protected, and they're going to yell at everybody to get out of the building, and you do. You have to scatter out of this building because this stuff goes in and it's pops and it's hotter than hemp. They're putting some sort of I guess it's called flux in there. They move it around and I don't know what it does specifically, but you can almost see the colored liquid in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get back out of the way here. So you can see everybody, I'll just pan back, everybody leaves, everybody gets out of the building. And I'm going to videotape this from around the corner as it goes. You can see it pop. Wow. I'm just holding the camera back here as that thing goes off. Again, that's that frame going right down in. It's popping because of probably the heat discrepancy, I would imagine. Whoa, some landed over here. Whoa. There it is, all the way down in. That is violent. And there it will sit.